What is up, Mass Fam? So, today I'd like to show you guys these two. I'm waiting on a third one as well today, but... So, this is the Cygnus by LBY. Titanium. I have the titanium spacers as well, but I think these look kind of cool.
Did you know there's a way to cut your dishwashing time by 50%? Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time. Dawn Power Wash has 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps that
I'll back it out for you.
grease 5 times faster. And because it cleans so well, you can replace multiple cleaning products for counters, stoves, and even laundry stains. Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. Brand Power, helping you buy better. I put the market to the moon and back. Wait a minute, my TurboTax expert. I'll make all your business count. The gains and losses, all filed with 100% accuracy.
Whew, almost got my tags. There we go. You see it. Your boy's got it. No biggie. There you go. Whew, almost got me on the biscuits again, boy. Really beautiful knife. Got this for just over $100. Carbon fiber. Then we got this little beauty here by Atropos. And I did sand one side because I don't feel like losing a finger for you guys. Otherwise, it's a really beautiful blade. Like, it's very, very well made. Like, the texture on here is just unreal. And it's actually a pretty wide blade. Like, it's bigger than... Like, you can just see there. It's got thick legs. This one is just kind of sketchy to... Have not flipped this yet because I don't feel like dying.